My name is Kelsey and I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. My closet name is Kelsey's One Posh Stop, which I will link down below. And today I am unboxing a 25-piece ThredUP rescue shoebox. So it is assorted sizes. I think I had a coupon, so it was like, or maybe I think there was a coupon code. So I think totally it was $90, including shipping. And it's 25 pairs of shoes, assorted sizes, no idea what you're gonna get. So I have already opened these up because I got too excited. So I do know what's inside, but I'm gonna unbox them for you so you can see what I got. So they came in two boxes, one really big box and one like small, normal size ThredUP box. I'm gonna save the small one for last. So for the big box, let's see here. So there are a pair of women's Brooks running shoes. I looked these up. I think they retail for around $80. They're in pretty good condition. They're a little bit dirty, so I'll clean them up on the bottom. The style it's a long number and the size is 10.5. I wasn't sure if they were women's or men's, but I looked them up to tell, and it came up a women's shoe. There are these brand new Z Alexis wedges. They are a size 41. When I first saw these, I was like, oh, they're gonna be expensive because they're really like funky. But they're not. The comps look like around $15, but they do look like they will sell and they're brand new, so that's great. I got two pairs of booties, and this is really strange because the style is the same, but the brand is different. So I don't know if maybe one is a knockoff of the other, but it's strange that I got two of the exact same, and they're the same size, I think. But maybe they're not the same size. Well, okay, so they're these little leather booties, and they are up there, real leather. The brand says Coolway. COOL, and these kind of have like they look brand new, but they have a vintage like finish to them, and they have this little like zigzag trim on the side, and they're really cute. They're a size 6. Then the other pair, I guess these are a 9, but the number, it's hard to tell because it's just a sticker, so I thought that they maybe were both 6s, but this is a 6 and this is a 9. So these are also genuine leather. These are made in Mexico. The brand is Muse and Cloud. And I never heard of it. Comps look pretty good, at least retail price. Hard to say the resale value, but they're really cute. Here's what they look like. They have zippers on both sides. Both of them do. See, they're the same shoe, but they're different brands, which is strange, which would make me think that they're not expensive, but since they're both leather, I guess. But these have a little stamp that says M&C on the side, so they look more expensive to me than the other pair. These are just Cupid wedges. They're a cute little style. They don't have the size marked on them, but I did try them on and they fit me. I'm 7.5, so I'm probably just gonna keep them because they're a nice little basic evening style. These are Kelsey Dagger, which I think retail is pretty decent. I'm not sure about resale. These are a size 7.5. They are leather upper, and they're just kind of like a deep purple platform heel. These are just Guess, but they are really cute. They're kind of like a millennial pink quilted sneaker. They are I think they're a size 9. Let me see. Yeah, these are a size 9. And the condition is really good. The bottom could be just wiped up, but there are no like stains or marks or anything. They look pretty good. These are really cute. They're like a cork heel from 9 West. So resale probably not amazing, but it should sell. The only thing is they're 5.5, so they're really small. But the condition is good, just a little bit dirty on the bottom, but no scuffing that I can see. just a little dirty on the inside. These are some leather Vans. They are in good condition. They're kind of like a light blue color, which I'm not sure if you can tell. They might look white, but they are like a light blue, and then the bottom is white. So these just need a little bit of cleaning, but they're in excellent condition. And these are a 7.5. These are Juicy Couture, little heels. They're pretty cute. They are a 7.5. And they're just a blue like patent leather pointy toe heel with the little side cut out. So they're pretty cute. Brand, you know, not amazing resale, but pretty cute. So my total cost per item was about $360, which is a really good cost of goods. Let me keep going and let's see what you think, if everything was worth it. These are also Cupid, so not a great brand, but they are a pretty cute style. These are a size 8. They just have this little lace on the side. It's a little heel booty. Are they real leather? I don't think so. I don't think that they're real leather. They are in excellent condition. There are a few pairs of boots, which is good because we are in boot season. These are Sam Edelman. Yes, these are Sam Edelman. I'm not sure of the size. I couldn't find it. So I'll have to keep trying to figure that out. I don't know. I don't know the size, but they are in great condition. Just a little bit of like wear in the heel. But overall, beautiful boots. I think I tried them on and they were a little tight for me. Let's see. I got a pair of new inbox shoes. The brand is Lulu Townsend. Resale didn't look amazing, but they are a pretty cute little style with the little strappy back, little platform heel. They are not brand new, actually. They have been worn, but they have the box. So they're not new in box, but they do come with the box. So yeah, I mean, the condition is good. It is really good. They do look like they've been at least tried on. Running out of space over here. And then there are another pair of boots. They are, I don't think I could find the brand on these. They're an 8.5. They have like an elastic back. They zip all the way down. And, oh wait, here it is. The brand is Indulge. So, you know, not amazing, but they are in good condition. They do look pretty unused. Like maybe just worn once. I mean, they've been worn, but they're not like bad. So, moving on. These are a pair of Calvin Klein heels. They're just like a soft green color. They're pretty cute. Nothing amazing, but pretty cute. And they are a size 7.5. The style is called Celine with an S. And the last thing in this box is this pair of boots, which are size 10. The style is Trudy, and maybe these are the ones that I couldn't find the brand. Oh wait, the brand is MIA. Yeah. So, you know, cute, not amazing, but should sell for maybe like $10. So they've got like a quilted back. They're a chocolate brown color. Okay, and now the little box. Let me throw all these into the big box. Okay, now that that is all done, let's go through the little box. So regularly, this box is $120, I think. That's what the receipt says. Yeah, it's $120, but since I think it was like a 20% off coupon code, it was $90. So the first couple things, not amazing. Some Banana Republic sandals. These are the only things I didn't really think I could sell. I think maybe there's one other item. They're just, the condition's not great and they're pretty boring. So I don't know, I might throw them up. I'm not sure. They're a size 8, but they're just a really basic, kind of worn down sandal. These are Sonoma, which I think is it's an inexpensive sandal, but these are in good condition, so I can list these if I can find the size. Okay, maybe I can't list these because I don't see the size, so these might get donated. These are some Zara Basic little loafers. Yes, they're called loafers. They have like the perforation. They're like a faux suede, and they're very cute. Blue suede shoes, some wear on the bottom. They're size 39, but they're still definitely got a lot of life left in them. I don't think that they're real. Are they real? I don't think that they're real suede. I think they're faux suede because it does not say real. So they're a size 9. If Zara works out that way, I don't know. Some shoes are that way where it's just like you just take off the first number and that's what they are. Like a 39 is a 9, a 40 is a 10, whatever. But I'm not sure if Zara is or not. These are 7 for All Mankind shoes, and they are in really good condition. Like, they've definitely been worn, but the tops are great. There's not really any, like, a lot of wear to them. They're just a slip-on penny loafer? I don't know what you would call these. They're very cute. 7 for All Mankind is hit or miss. I know that. Like, personally, I really like it. It's very expensive. I bought a jacket off of Posh before, I think, but it doesn't hold its value like super well. These are some Converse sneakers. These are Converse All-Stars. They could use a wash for sure, but they're not bad. These are a size 8, 6, 8. I think it's a 6. I think it's a 6, but it kind of looks like an 8. But so just some white. They've got the little like elastic in the back. So I'll probably wash them just to like clean them up a little bit, but they look pretty good. These are some Sanuk, S-A-N-U-K. They're made out of yoga mats. These look pretty much brand new. I'm not sure how the laces are supposed to go. Like, are they supposed to go underneath here? Because it's just like 2 loops that like work together. I don't know. If you know, let me know. I'll look up the style and probably find it. But I also don't know what size these are. Yeah, I don't see it. These are a secret. They're a mystery size. But it says Squish Man made out of real yoga mat. So they do look brand new. They still have the sticker on them, but they don't have the size sticker, so I don't know. And these are some Sam Edelman flats. They're pretty cute and basic. They are a size 36. The size is kind of worn out. Oh, 6. Yeah, this is a 6. So just a basic little flat. These are some Madewell sandals. So I was pretty excited about these. They're really cute. They lace up like a gladiator sandal. These are a size 6.5. But I did try them on and they did fit me, so I don't know. But it says they're 6.5, so that's how I'll list them. But they're really cute. I like these a lot. They look pretty much brand new. There's a little bit of wear on the back of the heels, so they have been worn. You can see, but yeah, really cute. And the very last thing, which I am not 100% sure is authentic. They are some Tory Burch flats. So they are like a little espadrille flat. They have the Tory Burch in here. It does say Tory Burch. The embossing looks correct, I think. It's got the little embroidered toe, but it says 8.5. I'm not sure because usually Tory Burch, at least in my experience, has it stamped, has like the logo stamped somewhere on the bottom, and I'm not seeing that. but I did look up similar styles, and I think they looked like this. Like there were some that had it stamped, but I did find one. They have old prices on them, so I'll have to remove that. So it was like $49.99. But so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. They're not in amazing condition, but they are pretty okay. Like my only concern is the bottom, like it might be too worn out here. But yeah, so this would be really exciting if they were in perfect condition and obviously authentic, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll do some more research. Hopefully they are, but so I think this, if they're real, the 7 Fam shoes are a great find. I definitely think I'll make my money back 100%. It's just how much of a profit will I make. The reason that I bought this was because I did buy another shoebox back like last year around this time, and it did pretty well for me. I have a video on that on my channel if you want to watch it. I have a ThredUP like catalog on my channel, and so I wanted to try it again. I've been watching C Fashion Guru's channel, and he does a lot of ThredUP videos. And so he had some amazing shoeboxes where they were just new with tags. So I really just wanted to try it out and see. And I'm not disappointed. I think I got some pretty good items. I'm excited to get everything listed, so hopefully I'll do that pretty quickly. And let me know what you think, how I did, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. If you want to see more of these, give me a thumbs up. If not, just comment down below and tell me what you want to see. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.